Hi, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, and I want to talk about how soon should you roof a home. As soon as you can. If you let that roof go too long, it can cause some problems. If you have got a really good synthetic, I'm actually standing on a really good synthetic. It's called Raptor, a synthetic underlayment, and it's actually very safe to walk on, especially for steep pitches. It's really phenomenal. So to answer the question, how soon can you roof? Typically, inspectors don't want you to roof until after they come and inspect the framing, especially the sheeting and the nail patterns. Now, we've had some really bad weather. Inspectors have never called me on it and had an issue with me putting my synthetic on. And once you put your synthetic on, which is what you see here, this black synthetic, that's considered dried in. That's when your house or roof is completely dried in, meaning it's pretty much protected from the elements. The only way water can get in is through your pipes. If you see some pipes here, and there, sometimes the water can come down through that pipe. I didn't see any leaks down below with the synthetic on, but I've actually given my roofer approval to go. My roofer is Cody over there. I actually used to do my roofs up until about 2 years ago. He wanted to be a general contractor, and I says, I'll teach you everything I know, but you have to start off as a roofer, and you have to put on the roofs I put on, and you have to let me teach you how to put on. So I'm not putting on the roof, and I'm very happy about that, but I'm getting the roof that I want to put on. This here's an aluminum shingle roof with all of its own flashing here. I might be able to take a piece out. Cody, do you have a piece of roof?
Yeah.
Take out a piece of shingle so I can show them.
Yeah.
I've talked about this roof before, this product. Very, very lightweight. It's only 40 pounds per square, meaning a 10 by 10 section. One guy can lift a complete square on a roof. There it is. We got here a slate embossed look. It's black. It will go well with this very contemporary home. And the neat thing is this is just a phenomenal roof. I've talked a lot about this roof before. There's some other posts about it. It can withstand 140 mile-an-hour sustained gust. It actually acts as a radiant barrier on a home because it's aluminum. And that actually helps to save up to 30% on the utilities. I'll give a link in the description on this. Just a phenomenal roof. So they're actually going to start installing that. They're going to put the flashing on over there. So I trained Cody, and now he's training a crew to put that on. So I'm excited. So we need to get him some more roofs. So we're going to get an inspection on this. We're going to get a seven-way inspection in my neck of the woods is where I have all my mechanical and all my framing and all my shear and all that in one inspection. And it's kind of frustrating. I've talked about this before. A lot of inspectors used to come out, I think 10 years ago, and they would just do a framing inspection and let you move forward. But now they don't want you to do that. They want you to get everything done, and then they come and do that inspection, especially when there's a lot of building going on in a particular area, which is where I'm at. So I'm excited. We'll get this roof on. I'll show you the finished product on this, but it's going to be fun. Get this thing done. And the thing that I wanted to make sure, and I called Cody and I said, hey, let me check on the venting. So I've got all my venting, all my plumbing venting, all my venting for my tankless water heater. Once all that's penetrated through the roof, I'm good to go ahead and roof, and so I'm going to go for it. On my HVAC, which is over here, I don't have any venting because it's a heat pump, it's electric. So I don't have any venting. If it was gas, it'd be a different story. So anyway, this is Keith Couch talking about how quick and how soon you can roof, and we're doing it today.